Hi and hello, explore Goa with me. Welcome to my channel Goa My Goa Vlog with Albert Pinto. Please do explore my channel and watch all the beautiful videos uploaded there. So, let's visit the spring waterfalls at Vaddem Sanguem, which is a gift of nature. This spring water provides a wonderful, refreshing feeling. Also, remember that all spring waters provide some kind of medicinal properties as well. We had to pass by somewhat a dense hill surrounded by nature's beauty, and then, after reaching there, we refreshed ourselves with cool, fresh spring water that runs throughout the year non-stop. So it means anyone can visit at any time. This spring lies in Sanguem at a village called Vaddem. It took us 1 hour from Margam by vehicle. The ride was pleasant as the roads are nice to drive and hardly any traffic after crossing the main road. I must say that since the spring runs all the year through, it must be developed for the people of Goa and the tourists as well.